it's Rachel with Rachel's Remedies, and today it's chilly here in Texas. For us, chilly is 60 degrees, but it's actually 48 degrees. So I have on my warm sweater. I'm inside filming, and I wanted to real quickly show y'all our favorite peanut butter. I have 5. But anyway, she has checked every peanut butter jar in every grocery store we've gone to. She's checked Trader Joe's, she's checked Whole Foods, she's checked HEB. She's looked at the back of every peanut butter jar in Walmart, when we travel, when Dixie. And at the end of the day, her favorite peanut butter is the Maranatha peanut butter. There's crunchy and creamy. She keeps hers in the refrigerator. The macros on this peanut butter, it is total carbs 4 grams, fiber 2 grams, and total sugars 1 gram. And I add, total sugars, 3 grams of sugar in the crunchy. And so that's what she's talking about. 1 gram of sugar in the creamy. So those are the little things that can get you. The crunchy has 2 more grams of sugar than the creamy. Megan is convinced that there's no sugar. Oh, you know what? This is the wrong crunchy. Okay, good. I'm glad this happened on camera. So look at these 2 jars. This jar is the wrong one, and every once in a while I accidentally get 5 of these, and she gets really upset because she said one of them has more sugar. Now I can tell the difference. See the little yellow on there that says new, and they have it in creamy and crunchy, but I think that's the difference. One says new on it and it says only 2 ingredients, and the other one is organic Maranatha peanut butter, but see, there's no extra signage in those corners, so that must be the difference. So this is the lowest one, and again, it is 4 grams carb, 2 grams fiber, sugars is 1 gram, fat, and this is for 2 tablespoons, and the total fat is 17 grams. So this is a really good option if you are a peanut butter addict like our family is and buy about 17 jars a month. But just watch out between these 2, because one of them has more sugars and 1 more carb. Okay, so now I know, now that I'm looking at them close together. Stir and enjoy. I hope you enjoy this video, and like, subscribe, put your little bell on, and it'll let you know when we do more videos. Check out my website, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye-bye.